Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you set up that little piece of code inside of your Shopify store that allows you to be able to track the add to cart behavior and metrics inside of Klaviyo. Now, just a brief overview as to why this is even important. By default, Klaviyo has an abandoned checkout, which makes you think that's your abandoned cart, but it's not the same thing. So you need to make sure you are tracking the difference in people who are just adding to cart and the people who are also checking out. So that way you can set up the abandoned cart flows and then also your abandoned checkout flows, which they are different things. So make sure you follow this tutorial step by step so you can easily add the piece of code that you will need in order to correctly track the add to cart metrics from Shopify into your Klaviyo. And just so you know, I've also gone ahead and made this super easy for you. Just click the link down below to grab the piece of code that you're gonna need in order to place it inside of your Shopify store. Okay, now let's jump into the video and I'm gonna show you how you can do this in like 5 minutes or less. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is click on this customize button, and after that loads, you're gonna go to the top where it says homepage and you're gonna select products. Then you're gonna click on default product, and this is going to bring up your default products template page. You're gonna scroll to the bottom and then you're gonna click on add section. Here you're gonna scroll down and make sure you click on custom liquid. Once you select custom liquid, then you're gonna notice that a little white box pops up, and that is where you're gonna paste the code that you can grab at the link below. Then to get rid of the box, we're gonna make the padding be 0, and that's it. It's hidden, but it's on your store, so just make sure that you click save. Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to learn more about Shopify, email marketing, different apps to use, and just business things in general, then consider subscribing to my channel. And you know the drill, I'll see you in the next video.